Hey everybody, sorry for the absence. A lot was going on. If you saw the last video I did, they were raising my building. And when they were doing that, they knocked out my internet connection, my cable connection. So I had to wait for that to get fixed. And by the time that got fixed, I had COVID. So I'm better now. I think I can get through a video without having a coughing fit. But if I do start coughing, I apologize now. And I'll do my best to edit it out. What we're going to do today is just a quick little tutorial. If you've been doing resin for a little while, or even if you're new at it, you might have seen the pigment paste out there for coloring your resin, which are really good, but can be a little costly if you're on a budget. So, I've seen a few videos on this, not the first one to do it, but I wanted to show it to you because I think it's a money saver. Now, if you're like me, you usually have a little bit of resin left over in the bottom of your jugs. Not enough to really do anything with, unless you're going to do tiny little necklaces and stuff. But usually it's not enough for me to do anything with. Now, it can be part A, part B, it doesn't matter. So long as you don't mix them, they're not going to cure. So they will stay liquid. And what you want to do, now you can buy different things to mix in with it to color it. But since I already have mica powders, that is what I'm going to use. So, what we're going to do, we're going to pour some of this into each one of these little pots. And I've got these little pots and they've got screw-on lids. I got these from, I believe, Walmart. But you can find them just about anywhere. And there's not much in here, so it's going to take a little bit to get that out of there. I should have thought of that. Alright, so we're just going to pour some of this into each pot. I'm just going to fill them about halfway. Because once you make a pigment paste, you won't need very much to color your resin. That's the idea of this pigment paste is much stronger color and you use less of it. So this amount should last you quite some time. Alright. Let's clean that off. Don't want that dripping anywhere. Put that over there. And I'm going to put the lid back on there real quick because knowing me, I'll spill it. Just how I am. I'm a messy Marvin. I can't help it, guys. Alright, we'll put that on the floor. Maybe I won't have to worry about knocking it over so much.
I can't do nothing with ya. I can't do nothing with ya. I can't do nothing with ya.